Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unstuck your car in Schedule 1. So the first thing you need to do is go to this location on the map. Okay, you'll see the gas station, and let me actually show you. So we'll go to this location, and this is Highland Auto. Okay, and right across Highland Auto is the gas mart, and next to it is the auto shop, right? So I just want you to come here, head inside the auto shop, and I want you to talk to this guy. Is Marco? Just press E to talk to him, and it'll give you three options. Okay, so if you have basically stuck your car, then you cannot bring this in here, right? So you just select the second option, say that your vehicle is stuck, and then he will basically move it outside, and just go press on your spacebar, continue, go outside, and literally outside your vehicle will be there for you on the lot. Okay, you can drive it, really as simple as that. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.